To adjust colors profile picture size on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select setting, tap color information, tap profile picture size, and then select the desired size you like to use. There are two sizes available, large and small. If you select small, your phone will show profile picture of the caller in small size when you have an incoming call. While if you select large, your phone will show profile picture of the caller in large size. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.